Hello, travel enthusiasts. Today I will show you some extraordinary, unique castles and chateaux around the world that you would want to see while traveling. Enjoy the journey. Prague Castle. Prague Castle is situated on a high hill across the Vltava River from the city center of Prague. It has been considered a symbol of Czech lands since the Middle Ages. Visitors to the castle can experience different atmospheres during the autumn and winter months. And special events and festivals are also held. Guests can explore the castle, examine its historic buildings and monuments, and savor art and culture. It's essential for visitors to check the opening hours in advance, as different buildings have different schedules. It is known here as Dracula's Castle, Bran Castle. Located in the town of Bran, about 170 kilometers from the capital Bucharest. Bran Castle was built during the Middle Ages and has been used for various purposes throughout its history. Its most famous association is with Bram Stoker's fictional character Dracula from the novel of the same name. If you want to visit, it can be visited between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m., except Mondays. Mehrangarh Fort is a historic fortress situated in the Rajasthan state of India and has become an iconic symbol of the city of Jodhpur. This magnificent fort is recognized as the largest and most impressive fortress in Rajasthan. The foundations of the fort were laid in 1459 and construction continued over several centuries. Inside the fort complex, there are several museums that display art, jewelry, costumes, and collections belonging to the royal family. If you want to visit, it can be visited between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. If you want to go on a historical and cultural journey, do not forget to visit Mehrangarh Fort. Hearst Castle is located in California, in the Central Coast region, approximately 5 miles inland from the town of San Simeon. It is just north of Big Sur. Construction of the castle started in 1919 and lasted approximately 28 years. Visitors to Hearst Castle can choose from various types of tours. Typically, guided tours explore the main building and gardens, providing insights into Hearst's jewelry collection, artworks, and history. Hohenzollern Castle is a historic fortress located in the Baden-Württemberg state of Germany, approximately 50 kilometers from the city of Stuttgart, and is considered one of Germany's most magnificent castles. Construction on Hohenzollern Castle began in the 11th century, and it was expanded and restored over time. This castle represents the lineage of the Hohenzollern family. Visitors can explore the castle both from the inside and outside, take walks along the ramparts, and enjoy breathtaking views. Osaka Castle is situated in the heart of Osaka city center and is one of the most prominent symbols in the Kansai region. Exhibitions on Japanese history and culture can be found in the castle towers and interiors. The castle hosts various events and festivals, and the castle gardens provide a perfect space for picnicking and relaxation if you need a break while exploring. Kilkenny Castle is located right next to Kilkenny city center, within a short walking distance, and is easily accessible. This castle, built during the Middle Ages, has played a significant role in Ireland's history and has had various owners over the years. Visitors to Kilkenny Castle can explore the historic structure from both the inside and outside. You can also take a leisurely stroll in the expansive gardens surrounding the castle and enjoy the scenic views. While taking your walk, you can purchase local products and handmade crafts at the cafes and souvenir shops located around the castle. Hohensalzburg Castle is situated on a high hill above the city center of Salzburg. It is a beautiful example of medieval castle architecture, with striking towers, walls, courtyards, and interior spaces that captivate visitors. Guests can explore the museums and exhibitions within the castle to learn more about local history and culture. You can also ascend to the highest tower of Hohensfeld Castle to enjoy panoramic views of the city. This spot is particularly fascinating for photographers. Berghausen Castle is a fascinating historic castle located in the Bavarian state of Germany and holds the Guinness World Record for being the world's longest castle. The castle has been a place of rule for various dukes and nobility throughout history. Spanning a large hill, the castle boasts an impressive appearance with its towers, walls, and inner courtyards. Occasionally, special events, festivals, and concerts are held within the castle grounds, making your visit even more special. Kronborg Castle is located right next to the city center of Helsingør, on the shores of the Øresund Strait. The castle, built in the Renaissance style, boasts a stunning architecture. Additionally, Kronborg Castle is famous as the setting for Shakespeare's play Hamlet. Inside the castle, visitors can explore rooms adorned with historical furniture and decorations. Furthermore, the castle offers special events and tour options that delve into Hamlet-related themes and references. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for more.